Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can find your transaction ID for Cash App. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I'm using Reddit for this simply because Cash App is not available in my country and in my region as a whole. So I won't be able to explain to you guys 100% through showing you how it's done. However, it is very easily explained, so I'll explain to you through this article right over here. So let's get right into it. Now, to find your transaction ID, it is tied, of course, to one specific transaction, and pretty much all you need to do is find that transaction. You can do this by going to the activity tab on your Cash App and then find whichever transaction you need the ID for. Then just, as I mentioned, tap on that transaction, and then you'll see three dots in the upper right hand corner. And then from there you can select to view the transaction ID, and you can then use that transaction ID for anything else you might need. Now, this is usually needed for support problems. If you're contacting Cash App support, they might ask for your transaction ID. You also might need it for certain legal things, and if you are, for example, reporting fraud, you will need that transaction ID so that they can get in contact or find out what happened with that transaction. And yeah, that is pretty much all you need to do. It's as simple as, wow, I can't speak, excuse me, but yeah, it's as simple as that. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, I'm sorry I couldn't show you guys how you can do it by doing it myself, but it is what it is. And yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in another video.